Welcome to AalumKclasses. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. Today our topic is cell and the types of cell. Cell. Cells are the basic fundamental units of life, discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Types of cells. Cells are of two types, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells have no nucleus. Instead, they have a genetic material which is freely suspended in the region called nucleoid. Bacteria, comma-shaped, rod-shaped, every bacteria is a prokaryote because it has a genetic material in the form of DNA or RNA which is freely suspended in the region called a nucleoid. Viruses are also prokaryotic as they have free strand of DNA or RNA as genetic materials, which they inject in a cell and hack the genetic material of the cell to produce its copies. Eukaryotic cells have well-defined nucleus, that is, the nucleus has nuclear membrane and nuclear pores. Plant cells and animal cells are eukaryotic cells as they have well-defined nucleus with double membrane and nuclear pores in it. Characteristics of cells. Cells provide structure and support to the body of an organism. The cell interior is organized into different individual organelles surrounded by a separate membrane. The nucleus major organelle holds genetic information necessary for reproduction and cell growth. Plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell has cell wall, chloroplast or plastids, vacuoles are very large. While as in animal cell wall and chloroplasts or plastids are absent, vacuoles are very small. Thank you for watching. Do like and share.